Once the noodles have boiled and you strain them, please make sure you wash them with cold water to stop it from getting cooked further. For making veg noodles, which is also called, I'm making it the Indian style, the Desi style noodles, that's what they are called. We will need about 2 cups of boiled noodles. They can be rice noodles or any kind of noodles that you like. Then I will need about 2 cups of cabbage, about 1 cup of onion, 1 inch of ginger chopped, 2 cloves garlic, a little bit of maybe 1 or 2 green onions, and these are the saute vegetables that you get in the freezer section. 1 teaspoon of vinegar, 1 teaspoon of soy sauce, Szechuan chutney, and salt and pepper according to taste. In place of Szechuan chutney, you can also put in any kind of a chili sauce or any kind of a seasoning which has a little chili based in it, just to enhance the flavor. This is quite spicy, but that gives it the Indian touch, the Desi Chinese. We'll make it in the Instant Pot. We start off by putting the Instant Pot on the saute mode for 15 minutes. And if we need more time, we'll increase it later. But as of now, 15 minutes is enough. The trick to it is to compile all the vegetables and the ingredients together. And then it is a quick way of making it. Only if you compile everything and chop everything and get everything ready. Now it's not going to be a very difficult task or long task.
We first put 2 tablespoons of oil.
We'll first put in the chopped garlic, the chopped ginger. We'll keep on putting it slowly. The chopped red onions. The red onions give it an extra tingy flavor, a little more pungent flavor. And then we are putting the green onions as well. Just whisk it around. Add a teaspoon of salt. Mix it for about a minute or so. We generally make it in a wok, which has been really heated on a very high flame. But here we are just using the Instant Pot on a saute mode for convenience. And I'm just showing you that it is very simple to make it here as well. So for the onions and the ginger and the garlic have been sauteing for about 2 to 3 minutes on high. Now I'm going to add the saute vegetables. I took frozen out of the packet, kept them outside for about half an hour, and they've just came back to room temperature. I mixed that as well. I've already added the salt. I'm going to add the cabbage, which has been really nicely washed and chopped. First chopped, washed, then chopped, and then again drained, strained nicely. Just mix everything together. It has to be on high flame, on high saute mode. In the vegetables, I will add about a teaspoon of Szechuan chutney. This is a chili. It's made out of chilies. The ingredients actually says it's made out of chilies and a few seasonings like ginger, salt, garlic, onion. This chutney has everything in it. You can just mix it properly so that it gets mixed in the vegetables. Now we'll gently add in the boiled vegetables. On top of the boiled vegetables, we'll put the boiled noodles. Before we mix it, we'll put 1 teaspoon of soy sauce in it and about a teaspoon of vinegar. This gives it the authentic Desi Chinese flavor. And just mix it properly. Just keep on mixing it properly, gently, so that the noodles don't break too much. For about a minute or two, keep on mixing it. Make sure that the vegetables mix properly with the noodles. Just make sure it doesn't touch the bottom. Just in case if I had forgotten, we start off with 2 tablespoons of oil. It needs to have oil, otherwise it's going to stick to the side. The noodles are ready. We are done in about 12 to 13 minutes.
If you like this recipe, then please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel.